Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you delete a database in mySQL. So first of all, you have to open the terminal to write the code of mySQL. So here it is mySQL command line client. We will open it. And now we have to log in using our password. So let me enter it. Okay. Now, first of all, we will see all the databases that have been created. So for seeing the all the database that have been created in the server. So first of all, we have to write so database, and then we have to put a semicolon, and then we have to press enter. Now here we can see that here are 8 databases that have been created on this on our MySQL server. So suppose I have to delete the database named school. So what we have to do? We have to write the code for it, which is drop database, and then we have to enter the name of the database. So for here I have to delete the database named school. So I will write school, and then I will put a semicolon and then press enter. Now here it is written. Now the database has been deleted. Now let us confirm it by writing the show database line once more. So now here we can see that the database named school has been deleted from our server. So in this way we can delete any database from our server. Thank you.